Welcome to Coco Quiz.
You have 5 seconds to guess each organ. Let's begin. This organ controls our thoughts, feeling, and action. It's brain. This organ helps us in breathing. It's lungs. This organ pumps blood to all parts of the body. It's heart. This organ filters waste from the blood. It's kidney. This organ produces enzymes to aid in digestion. It's pancreas. This organ makes bile to break down fats and helps clean the body. It's liver. This organ helps break down food for digestion. It's stomach. Its main purpose is to digest food. It's intestine. This organ helps filter blood and fights infection. It's spleen. This organ stores urine before it is released from the body. It's bladder. It is a part of female reproductive system. It's uterus. This organ stores bile to help with digestion. It's gallbladder. This organ is a special tube that lets air travel in and out during respiration. It's trachea. Well done! You have done a great job. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel